In the vast stretches of Alberta's grasslands, a silent battle wages on. The creatures that roam these lands are facing an uncertain future. But within the shadows, heroes emerge. From the tiniest insects to the towering grasses, each plays a vital role in the tapestry of life. Prepare to witness their journey, their struggle, and their triumph. Welcome to the Heroes of the Grasslands.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Bondar broadcast. We're live with breaking news on the state of grasslands in Alberta.
Reporters show that grassland habitat and the animals living there are facing some serious threats.
But don't worry, everyone. We can help. Let's talk about how we can protect these special places and the creatures that call them home.
Did you know that the grasslands is the most endangered ecosystem on the planet? Researchers show that most people are unaware of this fact.
Interesting. Let's cut to our few reporters. Haley and Matthew report to us live from Dr. Roberta Bondar School to see what the students think.
Thanks, Betty and Amy. We are here at the school to ask students what they believe to be the most endangered ecosystem.
Excuse us, we're live from DRB4 News, and we wanted to ask you what you think the most endangered ecosystem is.
I think the rainforest is the most endangered because people are cutting down too many trees. Animals depend on the trees for their homes, so when they cut down, animals lose their habitats.
Well, I think the coral reef is the most endangered because pollution and warmer waters are harming them. When corals die, lots of fish and other animals lose their homes and food.
Yeah, I think Chloe's right. Many people litter and put harmful chemicals in the ocean, which hurts not only the corals, but also the fish and the animals that live there.
The correct answer is the grasslands. Thank you for taking the time to answer our questions.
There you have it, folks. Now let's go live to our fellow field reporters, Evelyn and Avery, as they talk to the animal experts of the grasslands.
Coming to you live, we're joined by the 3 grassland animal experts to learn more about the grassland animals facing threats.
What are some important facts you can tell us about animals currently facing threats today?
I'm researching burrowing owls, and one of the major challenges they face is the loss of their natural habitat. Grasslands turning into farms and cities means there are fewer places for these owls to find their burrows and make their homes.
I'm studying the greater sage-grouse. They have a tough time when their homes get broken into smaller pieces by things like roads and buildings. This makes it hard for them to move around freely and find good spots to build nests and raise babies.
I'm researching the black-tailed prairie dog. Sometimes farmers and ranchers consider the prairie dogs pests, so they may try to prevent them from getting near their crops or animals by getting rid of their homes.
Thank you for taking the time to teach us all about the grassland animals. We've learned so much.
This is Avery and Evelyn, live from DRB4 News.
Great job, reporters. Before we wrap up, the grade 4 students at Dr. Roberta Bondar School have an important message to share with us.
Did you know the Calgary Zoo raises money to help grassland animals? Burrowing owls are endangered. The Head Start program helps them survive. Let's help grassland That's all for now, folks. Tune back in with us next time to learn more about the grasslands.
This is Betty and Amy from DRB4 News signing off.